Now, Trice has not been charged, at least yet, for the death of Winter Smith, but that could come any day as the investigation continues. Now, as we dig deep into his past, we're learning Trice has a violent criminal history, and even with his ex and Winter's mother. In fact, he was on parole when police say he kidnapped the toddler. Ibrahim Samra has more on Trice and his past.
When it comes to 26-year-old Rashad Malik Trice, his list of run-ins with the law are almost too long to list. In fact, since 2021's records show Trice has fought, fled, resisted, or obstructed police on 5 different occasions. The first in May of 2021, where he was sentenced to 7.5 months for charges including assault and domestic violence. The victim listed in that case as Winter's mother. A month later, in June of 2021, records obtained by the Detroit News show Trice pleaded guilty to attempted assault on a police officer in Clinton County and sentenced to 1 year in jail starting on August 10th of 2021. But when that day came, court records show Trice was charged in Livingston County Court after fleeing and obstructing police there. Another crime, more time. Records show Trice would spend more than a year behind bars before being let go on October 31st of 2022, sticking him with a 2-year probation, one that records show he would later violate a month later. And then this past weekend, Trice's trail of violent crimes led him to his ex-girlfriend in Lansing, where police say he stabbed her and accused Trice of kidnapping and killing her little 2-year-old girl, Winter Cole Smith.
He took one of the things that she loved more than anything in life, her child. He took her child. That's hatred.
Trice arrested after a brief police chase in St. Clair Shores and booked into Macomb County Jail, where he now awaits charges in connection to Winter's murder.
When you have a history like he has, he needs to be incarcerated until there's a meaningful intervention.
Yeah. The justice system failed her, failed the child, and I don't know what he said to the judge for them to say, don't do it again. I'm tired of this. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. They're doing it again.
Reporting for CBS News Detroit, I'm Ibrahim Samra.